Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae. Welcome back to another video. If you are a subscriber, you guys know how I feel about you. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. As you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be trying out the NYX, the brow glue that has been trending on TikTok and stuff like that. And I've been wanting to try things lately, and this was one thing that I definitely wanted to try. So the video that I seen was by Glamzilla, and this is the video right here. When she put it on her brows, it made her brows look laminated, and I was like, I need that in my life. So the product claims to be non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise spoolie for easy application. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna try the product out. I haven't done anything to my face yet, so this is on a fresh face, no product. I just moisturize. I start off by applying the brow product in the front portion of my brows. Whoa, I already can tell I'm gonna like this. I already can tell. It is sticking my brows up into place so well. Dang. Yeah, I usually do soap brows, and it takes forever for my brows to look like this. You have to like wait and let your brows dry with soap. But with this, oh my god, that girl is not lying. Look at that. It's like automatically laminated with zero to no effort. Whoa. Okay, let me go ahead and do the other one. I like my brows to be... Look at that. Look at that. I like my brows to be kind of bushy if I'm doing this kind of like soap brow look. And all you do is kind of like press firmly like this, and it stays. That's crazy. Okay, so this one is dry. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Okay, we're gonna wait for this one to dry. It's not sticky. It definitely doesn't feel like soap. It doesn't give me that white cast that my soap kind of gives me sometimes, which is great. But my brows look awesome. Like, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade that I always use. So what happens is after you put this on, the product gives you like a matte finish so that you can lay your brow product on, which I really do like. Not super sticky to where you can't glide on your product. Yeah, like mattify your brow a little bit. And my brows are not moving. Even if you want to use this as like a brow gel, you could definitely get away with that too. Like if I don't want to push up my brows all the way and I just want my brows to stay in place all day, this is what I'm picking up. Period. Look at that. What? Wow, I'm really, really impressed. Like, I'm really impressed. Especially for like drugstore kind of product. Like, this is fire. Like, my brows look really nice. And honestly, I don't even think I have to wear test this at all because my brows are not moving. Like, this is way stronger than a traditional brow gel. It's just, you can tell it's gonna be good and it's gonna hold your brows in place all day. It's literally like a glue without the tackiness. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back with my final thoughts. This brow glue is the truth. I honestly give this product a 10 out of 10. It has held my brows in place throughout brushing them by mistake, like kind of putting on my bronzer, doing a little bit of eyeshadow. Usually when I go in with my eyeshadow and do my bronzer and stuff, sometimes my brows at the end, I have to go back to them and touch them back up after everything because, you know, when you're doing your makeup, well, I'm all over the place, and I kind of hit my brows sometimes, and when I tell you my brows did not move, they did not go anywhere. So this brow glue is really the truth. Like, I give this product a huge 10 out of 10. I'll be using this all the time. I hope they don't stop selling it, because I swear once I like a product, they stop selling it or discontinue it completely. So if you use brow gel and it just doesn't work for you like it does for me sometimes, I've tried a ton of brow gels and they just all work the same. They're very like meh. This product is fire. Like, if you need a better brow gel or you want to just push up your brows and make them a little bit more bushy, this is it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it with a friend that has brow problems, not brow problems, but needs help with their brows, or just need something new and refreshing to like put on your brows that'll hold all day. Send them this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, comment down below what you want me to review next. Sis is on a roll. I'm trying to film 2 videos a week, so y'all gotta give me some content. Like, I need products to review. So let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys later.